Hi there, I'm Kevin O'Connor, and welcome back to another episode of Ask This Old House. As you may recall, we have been in search across the country for contractors who we believe are worth celebrating. And one of our finds happens to be right here in our backyard. His name is Lee Gilliam. He has been a landscape contractor in the Boston area for 30 years, and we've asked Lee to join us this season to help us with some house calls. So Lee, welcome to the Ask This Old House family. And folks, we hope you enjoy Lee as much as we do.
I am Lee Gilliam, and I'm a landscaper. I got started in my trade 30 years ago. Started with a Toyota station wagon, small lawnmower, and over the years it just kept on growing, getting new customers, learning more about the trade, break up the roots. And I've been doing it for 30 years and been very happy with what I do, and it's been really, really rewarding. You see there's a foxglove. This is one of my favorites. This is a Coosa dogwood. Should be a nice, pretty yellowish type white flower on this one. When I graduated high school, I started working at a company, and I was an assembly worker, and I needed extra money. So I'd get out of work at 3 o'clock and then go cut grass about 9 at night, and then do it all over again the next day. I worked at that company for 12 years. Then I started my business full time, and it's grown ever since. So what I want to do is do some pruning on this hydrangea. Pretty much just want to prune back anything that's dead. And if you see any buds, don't touch them. And that should be good. We're in a region where people love their landscaping, so you know, that's a plus. This is a nice, beautiful dogwood right here. That's a pink one. That's a pretty dogwood. My personal opinion, a well-maintained lawn should not have any weeds in it, such as creeping Charlie, clover, dandelions. It should have a nice color in it, nice dark green. And the healthy lawn is nice and tight where it doesn't allow weeds to get in. I like cobblestone edgings, and I like bluestone materials. I like natural brick look. I like that look. I try to edge the beds at least twice a month. Go around and re-edge them. It looks nice and sharp. That, you know, when you get your fresh cut lawn in the springtime and the edging's nice, it's like a nice fresh haircut, you know? Got to do the line up in the back or whatever. I've had guys with me for 20 years, so they know, you know, what I like and what our customers like. Perfect. They have a lot of pride. My guys have a lot of pride in what they do. And they're great people. They're great people. They're part of the family. They're family. I tell young people, especially people who look like me, don't give up. If I can do it, you can do it. Got some weeds over here I want to get rid of. People said you might have gotten the job because you're a man of color. And I said, well, I've lost jobs because I was a man of color. So, you know, this is a great opportunity for me and to show people that, you know, people who look like me can do it. Stick with it for like 5 years. Give 5 years and put money back into your business, buying equipment. You'll have some discouraging days, but don't give up. It'll pay off. It's a great profession.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.